Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial, and today we're going to be learning about the song Lost for Words by Rex Orange County. So quick disclaimers first. I would like to say a quick thank you to these people right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first. I'm going to be trying to play this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that's it. Let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. There's a lot of them, so let's go straight right into it. So all in all, it's going to be the G major chord, E minor 7 chord, A minor 7 chord, D major chord, G7 chord, C major chord, F sharp major chord, E7 chord, C sharp minor 7 chord, G minor 7 chord, B minor 7 chord, C minor 7 chord, C sharp diminished 7 chord. Then lastly, it's going to be the G sharp 7 chord. Okay, so for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so for the sake of this video, we're going to be using this strumming pattern right here to get a feel or a resemblance when it comes to the rhythm or the feel when it comes to the original audio of the song. So it's just going to be 4 down strums. Yep, but for the third down strum, we're going to be putting a bit more emphasis or an accent to it. So pretty much for the first, second, as well as the fourth down strum that we're going to be using for this strumming pattern, what I want you guys to do is to just strum these top 3 strings right here. You can also strum the fourth string as well. That's fine too. But make sure that you're just going to strum these top 3 strings right here. For the third down strum, you're going to be strumming all of it. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, just like that. So for example, with the G major chord, it's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums. Just like that. Using your index finger for the down strums. But if you prefer to use a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be using picks, such as this one right here. I'm just doing a downward motion for the down strums. Yep, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Yep. And with that said, that entire strumming pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the first, second, as well as the fourth refrain section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, so first up is going to be the G major chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern twice. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2. And the E minor 7 chord for 4 counts as well. 1, 2. Then it's going to be the A minor 7 chord for 4 counts. D major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then we're going to be repeating this part of the chord progression one more time. So once again, G major chord for 4 counts. E minor 7. A minor 7. Then D major chord. Yep, then after that, it's going to be the G7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the C major chord for 4 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I'm lost for words. I'm in the backseat and I wish I wasn't me. I don't deserve some of the words I'm hearing, some of the people on the street. I don't deserve Okay, so when it comes to the first verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Once again, a lot of chords. First one is going to be the F sharp major chord for 4 counts. Next up is going to be the G major chord for 4 counts. E7 chord for 4 counts. A minor 7 for 4. Then D. Then G. It's going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. And from this point forwards, when it comes to the section of the song, it's going to be a little instrumental break when it comes to the song. So yeah, it's going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. G minor 7 chord for 2 counts only. F sharp major chord for 2 counts as well. B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. E7 chord for 4 counts. A minor 7 for 4 counts. And the C minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Never get it right, I don't think. Always do my best, you know. Only have it Okay, so when it comes to the second verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, all in all, I've got the D major chord, then G, then E7, A minor 7, then D, then G, A minor 7, F sharp major, E minor 7, E7, A minor 7, then C minor 7. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I'll go insane if I don't see you this time. I swear to God I love you, and I show you every time. You see it, girl, you see in my mind. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, so when it comes to the third refrain section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. It's the simplest chord progression when it comes to the entirety of this song. First up is going to be the G major chord for 4 counts. Minor 7, then G, then C. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I'm in the backseat and I wish I said me I don't deserve. Okay, so when it comes to the third verse section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, so a lot of them. First up is going to be the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. And the C major chord for 4 counts. Yep, repeating that chord progression section one more time. Then G, E minor 7, then D, then C. Yep, once more, B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Then C. One more. Yep, then after that's going to be the C sharp diminished 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Then the F sharp major chord for 4 counts. B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. E7 chord for 4 counts. A minor 7 for 4. Then the G major chord for 12 counts. which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern 6 times for this one. So here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. All of the things we're saying, please give me a break today off. There's something in the air. I'm not your feeling, please don't be scared. I'm right here and I'm holding you. Let me do it, let me do it, let me do it, let me do it. Okay, so when it comes to the 4th verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the D major chord for 4 counts, then G, then E7, E minor 7, then G7, then G. Yep, once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Never get it right, I'm concerned. Everyone's alone with me. But against the things I say. Okay, so when it comes to the outro section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, F sharp major chord for 4 counts, B minor 7 chord for 4 counts, E7 for 4 counts, A minor 7 for 4 counts, C minor 7 chord for 4 counts, then the A minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the G major chord for 4 counts. Yep, once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for joining this far into the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach you anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials from Rex Orange County, just click these ones right here. So good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.